Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin bouncing, finally, some green. At one point today, we had 4 weekly red candles in a row, which only happened like 2 times since 2017. So working on a bounce, possibly. What we don't want is a bearish retest here. We're going to talk about the signal of all signals that's about to happen for Bitcoin. So again, on the weekly chart, you're still in an uptrend, right? You got your low, your high, your higher low, your higher high. This is still a higher low. However, you did lose this trend line, right? We're going to zoom in to find out some details of what we're looking for specifically going forward. This is a Bitcoin daily chart. The bulls lost this lower trend line. The falling wedge broke lower, right? There's a lot. This level was lost. This level was lost here too. Okay, so what does this mean? If the bulls run up here and get rejected, you're looking for a lot more downside, right? If the bulls, the bullish hopium here is a break above 53,000, retest and hold it, and then the whole idea of a bull run continuing for Bitcoin is based on this next high being a higher high. If Bitcoin, retraces or puts in some type of high that's lower than this high, close your positions, right? Because you're looking for more downside, because this would be idea of a confirmed downtrend for Bitcoin, and you get some kind of this nonsense here. Zoom in. It's all about to happen. Bitcoin 1 hour chart. You do not want to see the Bitcoin bulls get rejected right here, right? So again, if you get a break back into this original pattern, remember this falling wedge is supposed to break out higher, broke parabolically to the downside. If the bulls can break back in this pattern and then ultimately break out of 53,000 and above, everything changes, right? Quickly. And this becomes an entire bear trap, and I'm looking for a big move going the opposite direction if this plays out. However, you get rejected, downside, you're looking for significant move to the downside. So it's all about to happen. Pay attention to Bitcoin. We got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person joined the group with $50,000, now up to $4.5 million. Banging. We have 5,900 people in the trading group for a reason. We dominate this market. We're real good at finding the money flows. We nailed the DeFi money flow, the NFT money flow, the metaverse money flow, all the small caps on Kucoin. It's all about to happen. Watch. This person, I posted I'll show you some news on some coins added to Coinbase, and she essentially bought super and made $2,000 real quick on a super trade based on a news post. Huge. This person made 70,000 pounds, like 95,000 US dollars since he joined the group. Huge. I'm going to make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups, and I'm going to update you all day, every day. Right now, if you sign up, it's 60% off, 6 months or 12 months. I will help you make a ton of money in this market. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorevnet. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Look at this. Go look at Luna's chart right now. Look at Luna. It's on a mission. Like, it's crazy. It's been parabolic. This thing's been running crazy. We nailed this thing for over 800% profits. Huge. STX, we're up 500%. 5x our money on this banger. You got to be in the right coins. So Coinbase came out. Coinbase Pro, they're going to add COVOL, IDEX, MCO, POLS, Fox, Spell, and Super to Coinbase Pro. Actually, tomorrow, 5 p.m. UTC, you're going to see a bunch of new coins on Coinbase Pro, and this definitely pumped the prices. So Polygon has a ton of stuff going on. We've been talking about Polygon, and the chart looks real good. It hasn't broken all-time highs, but we're going to go over that in just a second. But Polygon has this meeting coming up with this ZK technology. Vitalik also has a post and some ideas that he's talking about for Ethereum that would allow Ethereum to scale. And so there's a lot of hype here. Polygon's strong. Ethereum's very strong too. Okay, so we're going to keep an eye on those coins going forward. But Polygon's got all these speakers coming up. So this is going to happen. The countdown to Polygon ZK Day, right? So join Vitalik Buterin along with other leading lights of the zero knowledge space for a discussion about the future of snarks, applications of ZK proofs. So this is the next big thing on Polygon. All right, so this is your catalyst for more upside for MATIC. Polygon, write this down on your whiteboard, period. Binance Smart Chain came out and they partnered with Animoca Brands. Remember, Animoca Brands is behind Sandbox. All right, so they have a $200 million joint investment program. They're going to work on GameFi projects on Binance Smart Chain. BNB, like we talked about previously, is strong too, right? So you're watching BNB as well. So a huge partnership here. Mark Zuckerberg came out recently and he said Pac-Man is coming to Facebook gaming. But more importantly, he said gaming is going to be a big part of the metaverse. Everybody's like cheering for metaverse GameFi tokens to take off. But again, Facebook changing their name to Meta is a sign of things to come. Metaverses, Web 3.0 is going to be the next internet. It's going to change the way we live our lives on a daily basis. So we'll continue to talk about how amazingly massive these metaverse projects and gaming projects will be, NFTs as well in the future. It's just the beginning. Tentry came out and they're now adopting Web 3.0 to mobile. They call it Web 3.go. And last Friday, Elon Musk came out with a tweet essentially saying, hey, Web 3.0 is the future. You got to get on board with us. So again, there's a lot of Web 3.0, gaming, metaverse, NFTs. As soon as Bitcoin can act right, these things are ready to bang. Fear and greed index. The market's scared. The market's scared, rightfully so. Bitcoin's getting completely destroyed. Again, this can go lower and it can stay pegged down here, but the idea is to buy fear. How low can Bitcoin go? Recently, I've been posting some of these really important videos on my TikTok. Follow me over there, cryptobitcoinchris. Try to get some videos out to you, trying to work on expanding some more videos over here in this collection, so check that out. MATIC, again, I gave this to you guys previously in a YouTube video. I said, hey, the support pullback or trendline pullback would be your best entry, and it got nailed when Bitcoin pulled back. And now you have 49% profits out of MATIC. Vitalik came out with this end game, essentially how ZK snarks could let users directly and cheaply check block validity. Essentially, these are ideas or a roadmap to help Ethereum scale. So add this idea where Vitalik is giving this specific idea on how they're going to continue to scale with Ethereum sharding, ZK rollups, and move forward. So obviously, one of the major problems with Ethereum is too many people use it, and it's really expensive to process transactions on Ethereum. So in this roadmap, they talk about Gitcoin, they talk about Cosmos, right? So these are important ideas to understand. Obviously, the goal is to scale Ethereum. So Ethereum BTC, which we've been talking about. So Ethereum hasn't broken this level, which it has now. Hasn't broken this level since back here. This was the end of the 2017 to beginning of 2018. This is the end of the bull run, the last bull market right here. Ethereum exploded, right? Ethereum ran from 700 to $1,400 right here. Now, just getting started. If you could be a substantial upside for Ethereum. Ethereum's very strong, so keep an eye on this coin. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.